Now in Cobb County, AllStar Game signs and decorations. Those are being taken down at Truist Park. That is the next phase of the fallout from Georgia's new election law.
The league officially announcing that the game is being moved to Denver, Colorado. It'll now be played at Coors Field, which is where the Rockies play their home games. CBS 46 has team coverage. Sierra Cummings with details on the move to Denver.
But first, we do want to begin with Haley Mason. Haley, at least one prosecutor is coming out publicly against part of that new legislation, right?
Yes, Tracy, we're live at Truist Park where activists spoke out in support of the decision to move the All-Star Game from Atlanta to possibly Denver. And we want to say that new voting act is one of the most controversial parts of this new legislation. One of the most controversial parts is that you can't pass out food or drinks to people standing in line within 150 feet of a polling place. Well, today, one prosecutor says he won't be following that part of the law. The official sign of an All-Star Game in Atlanta officially came down today at Truist Park. Outside the stadium, a small group with the New Order organization expressed their support of the MLB move in objection to Georgia's new voting law.
And our part was to come out here today to make sure that we continue to put the pressure on the governor.
This morning, Gwinnett County Solicitor General tells us his office will not prosecute people for handing out food or water in voting lines.
I actually stated if you don't have political paraphernalia, then I would basically not prosecute anyone that would give water, because there is no rationale to arrest someone who is merely giving someone water. That's an inhumane act.
Whiteside said he spoke to 6 police officers before making the decision and said the officers don't feel comfortable making those kinds of arrests.
And the way the law is written, there's no actual criminal intent. You have to have a criminal intent to break the law. If a person does not have any political paraphernalia on food, on the beverage, on their clothes, and they feel that they want to help someone and offer free food or beverage, that to me is legal.
The small group of activists called on other prosecutors to do the same.
We're asking the solicitors all across the state to join in with the solicitor from Gwinnett when it comes down to anybody being arrested to not prosecute these cases. We're asking the Attorney General Carr to get involved and look at this law the same way he looked at other laws and see that it's unconstitutional.
And I reached out to the Attorney General's office, waiting on a response from them on how they plan to handle this. Nonetheless, though, Cobb County Solicitor General's office did respond, telling us that the General Assembly determines conduct and constitutes a violation of the law. It's their duty to enforce the laws they establish. They said they will review these cases on a case-by-case basis. Reporting live in Atlanta, outside of Truist Park, Haley Mason, CBS 46 News.
Haley, thank you.